Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can hide your TikTok story from everyone or from a one person as you want. For that, just open your TikTok app on your mobile phone and go to your profile. Now in your profile, just click on your profile picture at the top. You can see you will get your story. So when I will click on this, here you can see I can see my story now. Now in order to change your story settings, privacy settings, at the bottom you can see bottom right side there are three dots. Click on these three dots and here you will see an option called settings. Click on this settings and now here you can see who can see this post. It's about your story. So if you want to hide it from anyone or hide it from all friends or public, you can click on this only you. When you click on only you, your story will be hidden from everyone. But you want to share it with your only friends but hide from public, you will click on this friends. Now only your friends will see your TikTok story but not anyone from a public will be able to see your TikTok story.